Okay, one more time, and the last and final time until it starts messing up on me again. My sound card mixing properties. Well, actually, it's a combination of that and my Behringer. Xenix 802. Oops, gotta mute that. 80. All right, let's do a little Skype check one more time.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Hello, this is Mitch doing a sound check. This is Mitch doing a sound check for the third time on the 8200. My quad-core 8200, that is. This is Mitch doing a sound check. This is Mitch doing a sound check for the third time on the 8200. My quad-core 8200, that is.
If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly. If you hear this message, but not your own voice, then something is wrong.
Bye.